Welcome to Mommy's Cuisine.
Sente-se coma, saborosa.
And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, so today we're going to show you how to crush and cut garlic. There's a way to use with a knife, and there are other ways to use it with some easy to use tools that will crush and cut garlic. First, we're going to show you we are showing you right now actually how to pull off the paper that is on each garlic clove. So here we are using, or my mom is using, a serrated knife to crush the garlic. This way really gets it flat and pretty much makes it into a paste almost. So it crushes it completely. And she'll do that until she crushes it's kind of like a swiping motion. You know, you're just like crushing it from one end to the next, and it really gets it smashed and formed into a paste.
Okay.
And here I'm using a garlic press. All you have to do is just put the garlic clove into the little cradle portion and just squeeze the handles together. This is pretty good to use. It doesn't crush it all the way. There is a little bit that is not, pushed through the stringer portion, but for the most part, it is crushed all the way, except for like just a slither of the skin. And as you can see, I'm scraping out the portion that wasn't pushed through the stringer. It's kind of like, I don't know, little fragments are left behind. They're not, like, as I said, not all of it's crushed. So it's kind of similar to what my mom did with the knife, but not all of it is put into a paste. Another handy tool is a parsley mill. This mill I use for cilantro and parsley, but you can also use it to crush garlic. It works pretty well with crushing garlic. Just plop it into the feeder. As you can see, the pieces of garlic that's falling onto the cutting board looks like minced garlic. So this is a good way to mince your garlic. Alright, so this right here is a chef and garlic chopper. So it's a garlic chopper by a company, or I guess the company is called Chefin. We got it a long time ago, I don't remember from, but anywho, this is going to chop the garlic. All right, so let's take a look at what happened to our garlic with the different processes. All right, so here we use a serrated knife with a wide blade. With this process, we crushed the garlic into a paste. This was a very good way to just smash it all with just a blade. This takes practice. This is more like a paste. This one right here.
Mince.
Mm-hmm. And then this one.
So here we are with the garlic
missing
press.
a little bit.
The garlic press fragmented the garlic. Some of it was pressed through the strainer, but a good portion of it was left behind. So it was mostly fragmented, but it was pressed, and that was the goal which it accomplished.
Fragments. And this one.
All right, and here is the parsley mill. The parsley mill minced the garlic. This is a great way to mince your garlic. It's easier to do it without using a knife. A knife sometimes can be a little complicated. And now onto the chopped garlic. The chopped garlic was chopped with a chopper. This is a handy tool to chop your garlic without, again, using a knife, because those garlic cloves are pretty tiny. So there you have it. That's how we process garlic in our home. Comment down below, how do you guys, how or what tools do you use to process your garlic? And what are the recipes that you use your garlic for? Until next time, thanks for watching. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.